Hi. In this video, we will see how we should configure JWKS refresh and retry intervals for JWT validation. When using JWT authentication, it's essential to ensure that the JWKS used for validation is up to date. To achieve this, the gateway periodically retrieves the JWKS. To optimize this process, you need to configure both the refresh and retry intervals for fetching the JWKS. Gateway has the below container properties to configure refresh and retry interval. Refresh interval setting allows you to configure how often the gateway fetches a new JWKS. However, if there is any failure in fetching JWKS, retry interval setting determines how long the booming gateway should wait before attempting to retrieve the JWKS again after an initial failure. Refresh and retry property values should be configured using ISO 8601 duration format. Here are the examples of this format. For refresh interval, PT5H means that JWKS will be refreshed every 5 hours. Likewise, P2T means it will refresh JWKS every 2 days. You can set the interval based on how frequently the JWKS is updated by the IDP. For retry interval, PT10S means gateway will retry retrieving the JWKS every 10 seconds in the event of a failure. To set the properties, you should go to Gateway Properties under Settings and Configuration. Under the Custom tab, you can add property names and the corresponding property values. Here you can see it's set to P1D for one property, and for the other, it is PT10S. You can save and restart the gateway afterwards. One important note is that if you set the retry interval in seconds, that is as 5 seconds or 60 seconds, the JWKS provider service will fail to start, causing APIs to fail with 401 errors, even if all the configurations are correct. While investigating 401, you will note a below log entry indicating that the retry interval format is not correct, such as type mismatch error. Hope this information helps. Thank you for your time.